This is a dumbbell RDL. I like to start with people out with a PVC pipe just to teach the movement pattern. Couple keys to the exercise: make sure your feet are underneath your ears. That's right, not hip width apart, narrow enough to be underneath your ears. You want this narrow stance so that you can keep a high arch in your foot, maintain that arch integrity as you slide your butt and hips back as far as you possibly go while maintaining a flat back position. The PVC pipe is a very nice way of teaching this to somebody because you can just run the PVC pipe right down the thighs and the shins as low as you possibly can go, keeping that back flat and feeling a hamstring tension, not low back tension. Repeat for desired number of reps. As you feel comfortable with the PVC pipe, move on to the dumbbells. I prefer dumbbell over barbell just because it's an easier way to scale for people. They feel more comfortable with the dumbbells sliding down their thighs and their shins. And then eventually, as you get to a weight that's heavy enough where you can start and want to move towards the barbell, but again, you need to maintain integrity of the arch, keeping that narrow stance, pushing the hips as far back as you can go, making sure the knees stay apart from one another and directly over top of your shoelaces. Back stays completely flat, and you should feel just hamstring tension, not pinpoint low back tension.